Hi there, Serial Trader here. Just going to do a quick check-in with weed. So, since the last video, I believe it was on Thursday of last week. So, as of Friday's close on weed, we just had kind of an inside day. Stayed within the range of the previous day's candlestick here. So, nothing significant going on. Just still hugging the T-line essentially and still respecting this longer term uptrend line, and really no breakout up or down at this point. Volume was quite low. It was only 1.75 million shares, and that's the lowest it's been in a very long time by the looks of it. And the daily MACD cross is just starting to happen here, although it definitely needs some follow through to really be a good confirming indicator here. And if we just go on the shorter term time frame, still potentially working a 1-2, and then a larger, I should say a 1-2 of one smaller degree for a third of a third ready to launch here, potentially, and leading diagonal wave 1 and then ABC down for 2. And now maybe we just had another 1-2, of a third degree. So this is our first degree, the next smaller degree, and then perhaps the next smaller degree still. But still really not clear until it actually starts breaking out. But this is a potential way of labeling it as it currently stands. Now that being said, so we didn't trade today, but CGC did. And let's look at CGC. So CGC didn't really accomplish much since the trading on Friday there with both wheat and CGC. We just had another inside day inside the range of Friday's price bar. Didn't break above or below the extremes of Friday's bar. It was a reasonably positive day. It closed higher than it opened, and it closed above the T line here. And the MACD cross has had a little bit more follow through on CGC with this, mildly positive trading today. So there's that. But still nothing significant going on as far as confirming, a new breakout here or a new breakdown. Volume on CGC was excruciatingly low today, which isn't surprising. 655,000 shares. That's the lowest. Well, look how far back I have to go on this chart to find volume that was lower. And in fact, this wasn't even CGC back here, I don't think, when volume was this low. I believe it was still listed on the over-the-counter exchange as TWMJF. So the fact that we've rivaled TWMJF volume with it now trading as CGC on the New York Stock Exchange, that just tells you how truly low the volume was today. So really nothing happened today is the short story here. Anyway, we'll check in later in the week, see what happens. Alright, Serial Trader signing off.